Hi guys, welcome to Ames and Veins. First of all, I want to thank all my viewers who have made my previous video such a huge success. The video on Ames PG Hostel, which has achieved lakh views in just a week's time. So thank you for that. Now there were some interesting comments on that video which I would like to discuss. And so there's one comment like uh, the rooms are very pathetic. We all deserve better rooms than this. There was another comment which said, uh, why so low life standards? This makes me feel I had chosen a corporate life where I would be treated better than here. Uh, and there were also some comments like, हमारे कॉलेज में इससे बेटर रूम है, हमारे हॉस्टल में इससे बेटर रूम्स हैं. सो इनको मैं डिस्कस करना चाहता था. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एम्स की वैल्यू आप इस तरह के मतलब मॉनेटरी या मटेरियलिस्टिक टर्म्स में नहीं देख सकते. मतलब what makes एम्स ग्रेट इज़ नॉट कि यहाँ के रूम्स कैसे हैं, बट द क्लिनिकल एक्सपर्टाइज ऑफ द डॉक्टर्स, द exposure of patients which come here, the great cases, and the huge number of people who come here for treatment, and also the fact that the world's best treatment is given here at a very low cost for people who can't afford any other hospital. So in all, this is what makes AIMS so great. It's not about hostel room, it's not about sports facilities, it's about the main purpose of this establishment, which is clinical work and research. And on those terms, as we all know, AIMS is the topmost. Now, as regarding the rooms, so like some of the hostels in AIMS are really very old, from 1950s and 60s time, and so of course those rooms can't compare with the rooms which are built in these times. So, for example, in some other colleges which are built recently, there are much better rooms. I agree. But that does not undermine the value of AIMS as such. And even in AIMS, in which there are some new hostels, and in those hostels the rooms are really nice, and they are at par with any other college rooms in the entire country. Uh, Another issue which people were saying that the room does not have attached washroom. So in AIMS there are multiple kinds of hostels, and in some hostels there are attached rooms also, and there are even married hostel rooms in AIMS in which a whole family can stay. So it depends on your choice and which hostel you get. For me, this particular hostel is very near to my ward, which helps me go to ward anytime I want. So even in night or early morning, whenever I want to go to my ward, I can go from this hostel, and that's why I am still staying in this hostel. Although I could apply for the other hostels, but I have myself chosen to stay here. And another important aspect is that in these rooms, which are so old, built in 50s or 60s, so many people have lived in these rooms who are now the heads of medical institutes in various states and even countries of the world. So it's the kind of legacy which this institute has given to the entire world. And regarding the toilets, I don't know why so many people are interested in watching it, but if you are interested, then definitely I would make a video on toilet also, and maybe in the next video. So in the next video, I'm planning to cover the female PG hostel rooms in AIMS, and in that there is an attached washroom, and so I'm planning to show it. So finally, that desire of yours will be fulfilled. Uh, Another thing I would like to discuss is that we also have an Instagram account on which we upload certain pictures of AIMS and other places, so you can follow that. The link will be in the description. And also on our community post, we sometimes post stories about people's photos of AIMS, so you can subscribe to the channel and go to the community post to see all those interesting stuff. And keep watching the channel. I really hope you'll enjoy the next video also. And thanks for watching this video. Bye.